Welcome to the comprehensive introduction to prompt engineering. This section is your gateway to mastering the interaction with AI. Be sure to download our detailed prompt engineering guide from the resources tab. It's a field with the great tips and the example that will be your constant companion throughout this course. Let's start by defining prompt engineering. It's a critical skill in today's AI-driven world involving the careful design of prompts, the questions, or the statements we are put into AI systems. This goes beyond just asking a question. It involves strategically crafting your prompts to the previously guide AI models like ChatGPT. The aim to generate a response that are just accurate but also relevant, and the creativity to your specific context. Imagine having the ability to shape AI responses as if you are a sculptor and the prompts are your tools. Now on the 3 foundational principles of prompt engineering. Specificity. This is all about precision. The goal is to avoid ambiguity in your prompt. For instance, instead of asking an AI for a tips on writing, ask for 5 actionable tips for writing and compelling first chapter of a novel.
The specificity guides the AI to provide more targeted and useful information.
Structure steps. Approach prompt crafting like you are giving instruction to a colleague. Break down complex queries into smaller, digestible parts. This helps the AI process and responds to each part of your prompt effectively, ensuring a compressive and coherent response. Iteration improvements. The beauty of AI is its ability to adapt based on input. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Instead, view each interaction as a step towards refining your prompt. Analyze the AI's responses. Tweak your prompts accordingly and iteratively work towards the desired outcome. Clarity and consciences. Get straight to the point. Avoid overly complex sentences that might confuse the AI. For instance, instead of saying, "I'm wondering if you could possibly give me a suggestions," say, "Provide 3 suggestions for." Persona-driven approach. Assigning a persona to AI can dramatically change its responses. For example, prompting AI to respond as a beginner-friendly fitness coach can tailor the tone and content of the information. Inclusion of relevant information. Supplying the AI with the context or examples in your prompt can enhance the accuracy of the responses. For instance, mentioning a specific time period or a geographical focus on a historical query. Clear task definition. State explicitly what you want AI to do. Whether it's generating ideas, answering a question, or creating a plan, your prompt should clearly indicate the task. Refinement and reiteration. View the first response of strength point. Use it to refine your prompt, adding or removing details to home exactly what you need. So, let's break down the main steps in crafting an effective prompt. Define your goal or problem. Start by having clear objective for what you want from the AI. Whether it's the solving problem, generating creative ideas, or gathering the information, clarity at this stage is a key. Craft your prompt. Here, you combine your goal, any necessary context, and a specific task into well-structured structure, prompt. Incorporate key phrases and terms that direct AI towards your intended outcome. Test, evaluate, and iterate. This is where you put your prompt to work. Assess the AI's responses for relevance and completeness. Make adjustment to your prompt and repeat the process. These iterative testings helps in honing your prompt to perfection. As we venture deeper into each of these aspects, you will gain not just an understanding, but also practical mastery of prompt engineering. This skill is rapidly becoming a cornerstone in effective AI communication. By the end of this section, you will be well on your way to becoming a proficient prompt engineer, capable of unlocking the vast potential of AI to suit your specific needs. Let's embark on this enlightenment journey together. And let's be a prompt monkey together. See you on next session.